Today topic of lecture, joint stock company. It is one of the business organization form. Previous we know the sole trader business and partnership. About two forms, business organizations. Some disadvantages, that demerits, that all are covering purpose. Introduce the joint stock companies. Fulfill their demerits, solve in these organizations, companies. This more investment, more production, need this type of companies. What is company? According to Companies Act 1956, a company mean a company mean a company formed and registered under this act. According to Companies Act 1956, a company mean company formed and registered under 1950 Company Act. Any business, any firm, any organization registered, it is a company or joint stock company. Features or characteristics of joint stock company. Features or characteristics of joint stock company as follow. Association of persons, independent legal entity, limited liability, common seal, transferability of shares, separation of ownership and management, permanent existence. These all are characteristics or features of joint stock company. One by one, I explain now. First one is association of persons. Any company have association, not one person, group of people. You invest the company in this, not one person, some group, all are associate. It is a company, not individual, some number of persons. Any person in this association, you joining, no restriction. You follow the company rules and regulations. It is a one association, group of peoples. Next one is independent legal entity. It is independently, not depend. Legally, you power. It is an artificial person. Legally, you take the decisions or take the agreements. You name of the company. This is legally right. Artificial person. Same. All persons. These also take the all decisions. It is a independent legally entity. Next one is limited liability. This company is also liabilities limited. Any time losses of company, the time where the any investor or shareholders, that investment amount is lost, not other pay the payment of for liabilities. Only limit the on our investment amount loss. So liability is the limited. You or compare the partnership firm, sole trader, that is liability is unlimited. Any loss of the partnership firm or whole sole trader business that not cover our investment amount. Remaining payments or liabilities, you pay the purpose, use or own assets. That is a unlimited liability. In this company is also not unlimited, only limited the liability, our investment, not more, not excess. It is one of the character. Next one is common seal. It is a company is the artificial person, created person, legally. You take the decisions, agreements, own. It is not a signed that agreements, that decisions, formation of rules and regulations. So that purpose, every company have one seal, common seal, that use the agreements, decisions, you face the that seal, company name. It is character. Next one is transferability of shares. Shares mean investment amount, all company capital divided the different parts, total investment amount in the company. Every part is one share. That part also 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 1000 rupees, etc. Any value. That each one is share. That total number of shares. That amount is investment. That purchase persons is the shareholders. Companies, investors is known the shareholders. That shareholders anytime our exchange transfer the our shares others in this possible. In these companies, anytime our shares or investment amount transfer others or sales. This type companies also possible. That purpose also buying and selling. Share market. Every day you newspapers or TV news increase or decrease share markets. stock exchange in Delhi. That all are you possible to the transfer of the our shares anytime. That stock market. Next one is separation of ownership and management. In this type of businesses, ownership is separate, management is separate. Owners also shareholders or investors, actual owners that not involve the management of the company, operation of company. That purpose separately some persons elected, their shareholders. That persons is company directors. All company directors also selected the one managing director. That person is I person. Any decision taking the in this director board, not shareholders. Any operation, any maintenance, all activities, you do the director board. So not involve the owners in this type of businesses. That purpose also separately director board. So in this type of business, separate of ownership and separate to the management. Next one is permanent existence. What is permanent? Fixed, continuation, existence, running. This type of businesses also permanently running, permanently survival, not close. Any one person is died, any one person is withdraw or investment amount, any one person is mentally dissolved, company is not closed, not stopped. This business is also permanently you running. There is a legally independently entry, legally right, not close. It is one of the character. These all are features or characteristics of joint stock company. First one is association of persons, independent legal entity, limited liability, common seal, transferability of shares, separation of ownership and management, permanent existence. These all are features or characteristics of joint stock company. Next, advantages or merits of companies or joint stock companies. These business organizations also so many advantages, so many benefits compared to the sole trader business and the partnership teams businesses. That all are as follow. Availability of large resources. limited liability, continuity of existence, efficient management, transferability of shares, shared risk, democratic setup, social benefits. These all are advantages of merits of company. This one say explain one by one. First one is availability of large resources. Resources mean investment, financial sources. You compare to the sole trader business, partnership teams. In this type of business is also more available funds. Why? This also number of investors, more number. Companies also not limit public company. Minimum 7 members. Maximum no limit. So number also more number. This type of companies. So invest amount also more. More funds available to taking the development or business also big, more activities, more production, get the more profits. It is one of the advantage. Large resources also, we elaborate the or business also big. That is big businesses also get the more profits. It is one of the advantage. Our sources also limited, our activities also limited. So our business activities also limited, our profits also limited. So in this type of companies, more resources, so more activities, so get the more profit. It is one of the advantage. Next one is limited liability. In this businesses also limited, any loss of our company, that time bearing the liability limited or share only, not other amount, no respond, not pay. That limited, our liabilities also, our investment only, not excess. This is one of the advantage. Compared to the sole trader and the partnership businesses. Sole trader partnership business is also liability is unlimited. Anytime also losses or businesses. That time you not recover the our investment amount, payment of the business liabilities. That remaining balance payments purpose for use the our own assets. Sole trader and the business partnership partners. So it is a unlimited liability. In these companies also only limited liability. Lost the our investment only, not other liability response. It is one of the advantage. Next one is continuity of existence. Continuity also not stop. You running the businesses. Any one person or withdraw or shares or investment amount. Any shareholders are died or mentally dissolved. Not the close the company. No affect the that person. So this continually running the businesses. You sole trader or partnership also, that sole trader is dropped our business or died or mentally dissolved, that business is closed, not running the continuity. Depend the that person. Partners also, any one partner withdraw or share or investment amount. That company also, that business stream also closed, not continually running that two businesses. Companies also, you continually running the businesses, not closed. Next one is efficient management. Any business success depend on that business management. Management is the very well, that business also well. That purpose also, you companies also more financial resources available. You appointed the experience or knowledge persons that field appointed for management purpose. That persons also use of their skills to develop the business, get the more profits. This is one of the advantage. Transferability of shares. Anytime or investor or shareholder withdraw or investment amount. No restrictions, no conditions. Anytime or shares also transfer others or buy or sell of or shares in the share market. Anytime it sells the our shares in the share market. Share market. This is one of the advantage. Partnership team also, our share, our investment, not easy transfer or withdraw. Other partners also compulsory agree. Not agree, any or share not transfer others in the partnership team. In this company also no restrictions, no conditions. Anytime not interested, you continue the or investment in the company, withdraw. That purpose also available in the share market. That shares also you sell or other also you transfer. No restrictions. It is one of the advantage. Next one is shared risk. You company also any losses, that risk also more number of investors. You share it, all risk, all loss, all investors share. Very low risk. Bear the this type of businesses. You compare to the sole trader and the partnership businesses. Sole trader any loss also total bear the that person. No other persons you share. Why? That is only one person is owner, not other involvement. Sole trader business. Same partnership also few members partnership. Any loss also total bear that partnership. So risk also more. You compare to the companies. This is one of the advantage. Risk is shared other investors, more number of shareholders divided the all risk, all loss of the business. That is one of the benefit, one of the advantage. Next one is democratic setup. In this businesses also separation of ownership and management. Management purpose also separately elected the some directors that all are elected to the democratic or shareholders every 1 year elected the some directors their shareholders that in this also democratic setup any shareholders you participate the management in the director board you elections also you participate director elections every year. That is a democratic setup. Next one is social benefits. Our big companies also some benefits also public. Social means public outsiders. Any one company one establish the one place. That area also developed. That area provide the some jobs, some works. That area peoples, some other complementary products or activities also develop that area. So that area is the developed. That peoples also you developed get the more income. It is one of the advantage. These all are advantages of merits of company. First one is availability of large resources, limited liability, continuity of existence, efficient management, transferability of shares, shared risk, democratic setup, social benefits. These all are advantages or merits of company or joint stock company. Next disadvantages are demerits of company. In these companies have some disadvantages also. That all are as follow. First one, difficulty in formation, separation of ownership and management, fraudulent management, lack of secrecy, delay in decision making, concentration of economic power, excessive government regulations. These all are disadvantages or demerits of company or joint stock company. One by one, I explain now. First one is difficulty in formation. This type of businesses or firms starting also more difficulty. Before starting the more formalities fill compulsory registration 1956 Company Act. That purpose also so many forms fill. That time That also more risk. You starting the very difficulty. That is one of the disadvantage. Next one is separation of ownership and management. In this type of businesses, owners is separate, management is separate. Owners also only investors. Invest the amount or shareholders that not involve the management or business operations, all activities. That is one of the drawback. Some persons also interested or own all operate the or business activities. That not scope the that type of persons. That is one of the demerits or disadvantage. Management also separately elected. Some director of board. That all are you operate the everyday, day-to-day activities, taking the decisions, not involve the owners or shareholders. That is one of the demerits or disadvantage. Next one is fraudulent management. That management also some few members, only limited directorial board. That all are any fraud you encourage, involve unlegal activities. That affect also our business, our company, get the losses. That is one of the disadvantage. Any misuse funds, our own. Few members of directors. That is not involve the owners or investors, operation of the our business activities. Depend the director board. That all are correct, not fraudulent management. That is get the profits. Any fraudulent management that bear the losses or risk. It is one of the disadvantage. Next one is lack of secrecy. Any business also some have secrets that use the development of the business that maintain the secrecy, not leak. Techniques, some skills, you maintain the secrecy, not open. In this type of businesses also, that not secret anyone. All are open in the directorial board. Any activity, any issue, compulsory discussed in the directorial board before taking the decisions. Any activity, any secrets, any techniques, all is open. That is one of the disadvantage. The directors also any leak of the leak out, the secrets. Not one person. More number of in this directorial board. Any one director, you leak the our business secrets out of the company. That affect also our business operation. It is one of the disadvantage, lack of secrecy. Next one is delay in decision making. Delay means late. Decisions, any taking the decision, not quickly. Why not one person taking the decisions in these companies? More persons all directors you before assembled one place, taking the decisions. You discussed that issue, that problem. That purpose also some required time. So not taking the decisions quickly is one of the disadvantage. Next one is concentration of economic power. Concentration means centralization. Total one place, one person, or few members, total our country. For example, so many our industrialists, or India, Dhirubhai Ambani, Reliance, Tata, Birla, some few members, total command the our government policies. Why you centralize the total economy, total power? Financially, you centralize few members. These companies also main cause. That affect also our government policies. Any government not take the one decisions. Defend the few members or industrialists. That finally effect of the our economic of government or country or state. It is one of the disadvantage. Next, last one is excessive government regulations. In these companies also, you follow the government rules and regulations, not one taking the decisions. Any follow you 1956 Company Act release the rules and regulations. Any modifications, any changes, you give the government that follow the every companies in these businesses. Frequently changes of the rules and regulations. That affect also some companies face the some problems. It is one of the disadvantage. These all are disadvantages or demerits of company or stock, giant stock company. First one is difficulty in formation, separation of ownership and management, fraudulent management, lack of secrecy, delay in decision making, concentration of economic power, excessive government regulations. These all are disadvantages or demerits of companies or giant stock companies. Today's topic is we know what is giant stock company, characteristics or features of giant stock company, advantages, disadvantages of giant stock company, demerits, disadvantages of giant stock company. Today class is over. Thank you.